2022, almost no miles, 3,000 miles on this thing. Thing is in mint condition. It's got the flat black wrap on it. You guys know about the 720S. I ain't got to tell you about the car. The thing is monstrous when it comes down to horsepower, handling, engineering. Was the mecca of McLaren for a long time. Then obviously the 765 came out and then kind of put this under its wing, but still an absolute monster. The 720 is one of my favorite McLarens. You guys could see we have it on the lift. We have to take this thing absolutely completely apart just to get down to the exhaust. You got to take apart this whole quarter panel and just expose the whole car, man, just to get down to this, right? This is what the customer's here for. We're doing an exhaust system. There's a cap back on there. Unfortunately, the customer did not want to do downpipes. Later on, we might consider doing the downpipes for him. But as of right now, just a cap back because the car is still under warranty. It's a complete Lego set. You have to take apart everything just to get to the exhaust. Now, unfortunately, it's not that simple, just plug and play. Most cars are. Labor is not so intensive on most cars, especially supercars. It's either really easy or extremely difficult. But at G-Exhaust, we got you guys. You know, we label everything, making sure everything's organized, separate all the parts, wrap everything up, and like I said, get down to this nitty gritty of the exhaust. So we're slapping something pretty sick on this. It's a full titanium catback made by this company, Titanium. If I'm pronouncing it or butchering it, just let me know in the comments. But Titanium. They focus on titanium catback exhaust, specialized with McLarens. And you guys can see, work of art, full titanium. This does have a polished finish on it. Most titanium exhaust looks like this. This one is polished. I guess that's their look. That's what they go for. But you guys can see how light this thing is. I'm holding it with 2 fingers. Full catback. It's insane. So it also does come with a set of tips, full titanium blue tips. We're gonna pop those out in a second. They're wrapped up. We're gonna wait till we get down to the install to slap the tips up, mock everything up. Now back to the McLaren. You guys could see it. Everything is exposed. The downpipes come in from there. Turbos are underneath the car. Comes into the exhaust, connected with some V-bands. Has some flex pipes for flexibility. And the stock garbage muffler. So flow goes in, equalizes through this muffler. The valves open, valves close. There's actually no valves on this thing. It's probably just an engine switch, gives it a little bit more power, makes it a little bit more aggressive. But like I said, we're bypassing this, running the titanium, so it should sound like an absolute monster. I honestly cannot wait to hear the tone of this exhaust. This is a special company that specializes in F1 grade titanium, which we are authorized dealers of, which is pretty awesome. So if you're looking for Titanium or whatever the hell the name of the company is, they do super high quality stuff. One of the only companies on the market that sells a system for the 750. This is, like I said, a 720, but awesome Real kit. Quick, I'm just taking apart this muffler. Berto has everything taken apart. Everything's ready to rock. I'm just gonna unbolt this thing. That was easy. Looked a lot easier than it was, but we got fucking 20 hours on this thing, man, which is absolutely outrageous. And yeah, that's the system. Stock exhaust, catback exhaust. Upgrading it to this. Pretty sick difference. This thing's gonna sound awesome, guys. So yeah, man, most McLarens do have something very similar to this, like a dual in, dual out muffler setup, pretty common. And yeah, man, not really making the car sound like how it's supposed to. So that's what you come to G-Exhaust for, guys. That's what we got. We got custom exhaust, we got catback exhaust, bolt-on exhaust, you name it, man. We'll do it. If it has exhaust in the name of the upgrade, G-Exhaust is where it's at. So, you know, hit us up, stay tuned, put this shit together, make this thing sound like a beast.
Yeah.
We got the unobtainable of titanium system in there. It's sick. Try to pronounce that. Tell me what it sounds like in the comments. Looks amazing. Like I said, full titanium catback, comes with the flex pipes, full titanium X pipe with the titanium blue tips. This thing is going to turn absolutely purple. I can't wait to see what this thing sounds like. We already have a couple revs, so I guess I waited already and heard it, so whatever. Anyways, system fits like a glove. Shout out to Unobtainable, Unobtainium. Shout out to them, bro. 720S badged on everything. Sick, man. Sick, fits like a glove. Shout out to you guys. You guys did a good job. So, yeah, man, the system's on there. Like I said, fits awesome. Can't ask for better fitment. And yeah, time to put this thing back together, guys. So we're in the 720S. Exhaust is done. Test drive time. Making sure nothing's loose. Making sure no check engine lights come on. We go through a rigorous process of making sure the cars are 100% a G exhaust. This was a 2.5 day build. Nobody understands, you gotta take apart the whole damn car to do a 720S. Everybody's like, oh, it's a 2-hour job. I know somebody that'll do it cheaper. And then boom, your shit blows up. It's comfortable.
Yeah.
Usually you don't get the comfort, the control, the handling, the speed. This 720, I mean, it's up there. Drives better than the SVJ. Huracan for sure. Better than the GT. It handles like a Porsche. The fucking thing is awesome.
Would you deal with the problems though?
I think you get one of these under warranty, man, and hopefully the turbos blow up on you while it's under warranty, and then you tune and downpipe it. Smells like popcorn.